What if I told you fatigue is a lie? That your exhaustion isn't real? It's just your spirit, untrained. For centuries, the samurai wielded a force so fierce, they fought for days without rest. No stimulants, no excuses, just pure energy. This is Yamato-Damashii, the unbreakable Japanese warrior code. And today you'll learn how to awaken it in yourself. But first, ask yourself, are you ready to stop being tired and start being unstoppable? To become the most energetic version of yourself is to awaken the Yamato-Damashii, the indomitable Japanese spirit of courage, resilience, and unyielding vitality. This is not mere enthusiasm, but a way of being, where every breath fuels an inner fire that refuses to dim. The first step is total commitment to motion. Energy is not hoarded. It is spent, replenished, and spent again in a cycle of unbreakable momentum. Like a samurai in battle or an athlete in the zone, you must move with purpose so fierce that hesitation becomes foreign. When you align your actions with a mission greater than yourself, lethargy dissolves, and you become a conduit of unstoppable force. The second pillar is cultivating an unconquerable mind. Energy is not just physical, it is forged in the steel of your thoughts. Every morning, you must declare war on mediocrity, silencing doubt with the roar of your resolve. The ancient warriors knew this. Spirit precedes the body. When your mind is sharpened like a blade, your body follows without complaint. Train yourself to see exhaustion as an illusion, a temporary barrier that bends before the might of your will. Speak affirmations of power, visualize victory, and let no negative thought linger. The mind is the general, the body is the army. Command well, and the battle is already won. The third principle is relentless physical mastery. The body is a temple, but not one of passive worship. It is a training ground for greatness. Push your limits daily. Sprint until your lungs burn. Lift until your muscles tremble. Move until sweat baptizes you into a higher state of existence. Energy expands when tested. Comfort is the enemy. The samurai practiced martial arts not just for combat, but to refine their life force. Ki. Likewise, you must treat exercise as sacred ritual, transforming fatigue into fuel, weakness into strength. A body hardened by discipline becomes an unbreakable vessel for unstoppable energy. The fourth law is fueling the flame with purity. What you consume, food, media, thoughts, determines whether your fire blazes or smolders. Eat like a warrior. Clean, powerful foods that turn into energy, not sludge. Drink water like it is the elixir of life, because it is. But beyond diet, guard your mental and emotional intake. Toxic influences drain your spirit. Inspiration ignites it. Surround yourself with those who challenge you to rise. Read what elevates your soul, and let every input be deliberate. Yamato-Damashii thrives in an environment of clarity and strength. Pollute it, and you betray your potential. The fifth truth is rest is rebellion. True energy is not the absence of fatigue, but the mastery of recovery. The fiercest warriors knew when to meditate, when to sleep deeply, when to let their spirit recalibrate. Modern society glorifies burnout. Reject this. Sleep is not weakness, it is strategic replenishment. Power naps, mindful breathing, and moments of stillness are not pauses in your journey. They are stealth maneuvers in your war for greatness. Respect rest as you respect action, for both are essential in the rhythm of an unconquerable life. The sixth tenet is emotional intensity as fuel. The energy you seek is not sterile. It is alive with passion, anger, love, and defiance. Harness your emotions like a blacksmith wields fire. Let your heart roar when needed. Let your joy electrify your steps. Let your determination be a storm no obstacle can withstand. The samurai did not fight with empty minds. They fought with ferocious loyalty, honor, and sometimes rage. Suppressing emotions drains energy. Channeling them multiplies your power. Cry, laugh, scream into the void if you must, but never numb yourself. True vitality demands feeling everything and using it all as fuel. The final pillar is legacy energy, the understanding that your fire outlives you. Yamato-Damashii is not just for you, It is for those who will follow. When fatigue whispers surrender, remember, your energy inspires others. Every step you take, every battle you win, every ounce of spirit you unleash creates ripples through time. The greatest warriors, innovators, and legends did not merely exist. They burned so brightly that their light still guides us. You are no different. So rise not just for yourself, but for the unseen souls who need proof that unbreakable energy is possible. Stoke your flame until it becomes a beacon, until your very existence screams, "This is what it means to be alive." Now move. The world needs your fire. Or